Why does it feel like you're always chasing money but never quite catching it? Why do some people with average incomes manage to build wealth while others with high salaries still live paycheck to paycheck? Here's the truth. Wealth isn't built by how much you earn, it's built by what you do with it. And your youth, that's the foundation of your financial future. In this video, we will uncover the 5 most common mistakes young people make with money and how you can avoid them to unlock real financial freedom. So let's dive into the video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in, where we simplify the world of personal finance for individual investors like you. Mistake number 1, delayed savings. So most young earners think they have plenty of time to start saving. They wait for a better job, a higher salary, or some future windfall. Others feel I can barely cover my expenses. How can I save? But here's the thing. It's not about how much you save. It's about when you start. Even saving 500 rupees a month from your first paycheck builds the habit. And that habit is the real secret behind wealth building. So start small, stay consistent, and let compounding do the magic. The worst culprit, waiting for the right time to start. Mistake number 2, misusing debt. Home loans, car loans, credit card, EMIs, they all sound convenient. But let's be honest, in cities, buying a house or flashy gadget can feel like a status upgrade. But loans aren't free money, they are future stress with interest. So before taking any loan, ask yourself, can I afford the EMI? Is my job stable? Do I have a backup plan? Use debt strategically, not emotionally. So worst culprit, taking loans based on lifestyle, not affordability. Mistake number 3, no financial planning. Most of us aren't taught how to manage money. So we just wing it. Pay bills, spend what's left, and hope for the best. But real financial growth starts with a plan. Track your spending, create a simple budget, and set short-term goals like emergency fund and long-term ones like retirement. And don't forget insurance. Term and health plans are cheaper when you're young. Worst culprit, thinking financial planning is only for the rich. Mistake number 4, not investing in yourself. In the hustle to earn more and save more, many forget the one investment that gives the highest returns, investing in yourself. When you skip learning new skills, certifications, or soft skills like communication and leadership, you're putting a cap on your future income. Instead, set aside a small budget and time each year for personal development. Read books, attend webinars, join courses, or work with a mentor. Your skills are directly tied to your earning potential. The more you grow, the more your money will too. Worst culprit, thinking you're too busy or that you already know enough. Mistake number 5, living beyond your means. This one's sneaky. It's easy to fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation. Buying the newest phone, splurging on every sale, or trying to match your friends' vacations. But here's how you know you're overspending. Your credit card is constantly maxed out, you have no savings at the end of the month, and you're relying on BNPL or borrowing frequently. Instead, choose to live slightly below your means. Not to deprive yourself, but to protect your financial peace. Like here's a quick breakdown in the form of a tabular column presented on the screen for you. So if you live beyond your means, the short-term satisfaction is high, but your long-term financial health will be poor. But if you live within your means, your short-term satisfaction is balanced and long-term financial health will be moderate. But if you live below means, your short-term satisfaction moderate, but your long-term financial health strong. So small sacrifices now lead to big rewards later. So worst culprit, letting social pressure dictate your spending. So what's the final takeaway from this video? Let's be real. Building wealth isn't about hitting the jackpot or having a fancy job title. It's about avoiding common mistakes, making intentional choices, and consistently doing the right things with your money. So here's what we have learned. Start saving yearly, use debt mindfully, plan your finances, invest in yourself, and live below your means. It's not rocket science. It's discipline, strategy, and patience. And if you don't know where to start, Don't worry, click the link in the description to book your free consultation with one of our certified financial planners and get a customized money plan that fits your life and your dreams. And like this video if it opened your eyes to any of these mistakes, and hit subscribe for more practical financial content. And tell us in the comments what's one money mistake you have made and what did it teach you. So thank you for watching.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.